Heatline is your preferred source for commercial, residential, and industrial self-regulating heat tracing, components, and controls. Designed and manufactured in North America, Heatline SR Cut-to-Length delivers safe and reliable freeze protection for metallic and non-metallic pipes, valves, tanks, roof and gutter de-icing, and process temperature maintenance applications. Backed by responsive service, technical support, system design assistance, and fast shipping to distribution partners and customers, Heatline SR Cut-to-Length provides professional-grade performance with strong market value. Heatline SR Cut-to-Length gives contractors and professionals installation flexibility, allowing the heating cable to be cut to length on site to meet the specific requirements of each project. Heating cable is available cut by the foot or in full reel-length quantities with no charges, making it convenient for contractor purchasing and distribution stocking. Reel lengths are available up to 1,000 feet to support higher volumes and larger commercial applications. All Heatline cut-to-length heating cables offer the advanced performance of self-regulating heating cable technology, increasing heat and energy output to colder sections along their length, while simultaneously reducing output to warmer sections. Engineered and manufactured in North America to rigorous quality standards, Heatline SR cable is built for lasting reliability in critical freeze protection applications. Available in 5 to 30 watts per foot and in 120 volt or 240 volt configurations, Heatline SR Cut-to-Length supports a wide range of freeze protection and process maintenance requirements. Cable jackets are available in modified polyolefin for general applications or fluoropolymer for harsh chemical or industrial environments. Heatline offers low, medium, and high temperature cable options to ensure proper performance across varying operating conditions. The same trusted low temperature cable used for pipe freeze protection is also utilized for roof and gutter de-icing applications, providing the convenience of sourcing one proven cable for multiple uses. SR Cut-to-Length is available with approvals suitable for ordinary and hazardous locations. It can be configured with approved connection kits and control options, supporting a safe and code-compliant installation. Built for long-term reliability, Heatline SR Cut-to-Length is backed by a comprehensive 10-year limited warranty, reinforcing Heatline commitment to quality and performance. Choose a North American manufactured solution trusted by professionals for dependable performance, hazardous location approvals, watt density flexibility, and proven durability season after season.